Section 2, subsection 41, financial year. Financial year in relation to any company or body corporates means the period ending on 31st day of March every year, and where it has been incorporated on or after the first day of January of a year, the period ending on the 31st day of March of the following year, in respect whereof financial statement of the company or body corporate is made up, provided that where a company or body corporate which is a holding company or a subsidiary or associate company of a company incorporated outside in India and is required to follow a different financial year for consolidation of its accounts outside India, the central government may, on an application made by that company or body corporate in such form and manner as may be prescribed, allow any period as its financial year, whether or not that period is a year. Provided further that any application pending before the tribunal as on the date of commencement of the companies, that Amendment Act 2019, shall be disposed by the tribunal in accordance with the provisions applicable to its before such commencement. Provided also that a company or body corporate existing on the commencement of this act shall, within a period of 2 years from such commencement, align its financial year as per the provision of these clauses. So, a financial year is the accounting period for a company, the time frame for which it prepares its financial statements. In India, this is usually 1st April to 31st March of the next year. If a company is incorporated after 1st January, its first financial year ends on 31st March of the next year. Companies that are part of foreign groups may apply to the government to have a different financial year to match their parent company. Existing companies has 2 years to align their financial year as per this rule when the act came into force. The key points are: standard FY in India is equal to, FY means financial year, 1st April to 31st March. First financial year may be shorter if incorporated mid-year. Foreign subsidiaries or associates can have different financial year with government approval. Transition rules for existing companies were provided to align with this. Example: ABC Private Limited incorporated on 15th February 2025. First financial year ends on 31st March 2026. XYZ Limited, an Indian subsidiary of a US company, can request a different financial year to match its US parent company's reporting period. In short, financial year is equal to company's 12-month money reporting period, usually 1st April to 31st March, with exceptions for new or foreign aligned companies.